Hello wise investor. If you're looking for accurate and profitable financial market signals, then you have come to the right place. The financial signals that we offer are based on a strategy called the Forex Helper strategy. This strategy was developed by Gabriel Richard Jr., also known as the Forex Helper. The strategy mainly focuses on long-term holding and conservative risk management techniques. Most people in the Forex world are used to trading very short-term, and by short-term, I mean trades that are 5 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 5 hours, 1 day, or a weekly time frame. This type of short-term trading style often produces short-sighted naive traders, whose only aim is to produce fast and unrealistic results. Oftentimes, these short-term traders fall prey to the many scams that scour the internet. The truth of the matter is that most short-term traders lose the majority of the time, and this is because they fail to realize some very critical concepts that rule the financial market and economic universal laws. These laws are not easily discerned, but once they are realized, anyone who is willing to exercise the necessary patience and endurance will be able to succeed in any market environment. This information may seem like a lot to comprehend, and actually it's not something that you can learn in a short video. The most important thing to realize is this: the strategy that we use for our successful signals is based on a long-term holding approach. If you are willing to be patient and hold your trades according to our long-term signals, then you'll be part of a small percentage of successful online investors. We call this type of investor a winner. These investors are actually more than winners. They are truly wise investors. If you have questions about the pricing of our Forex signals and other Forex services, just visit our pricing page. If you still have questions, then you can send an email to the following address: admin@win.university. We're looking forward to hearing from you very soon. And remember, only winners invest in their minds for wiser returns.